what's up and welcome back to another vlog. Today it's going to be amazing because we are heading towards pumpkin patch, we call it, right? Yeah. Pumpkin patch, to pick our own pumpkins so that we can carve before Halloween and put it out for decorations. It's going to be super fun because it's not only pumpkin picking, there are some fun activities that we're gonna do. So yeah, very excited to take you all.
We're going for the first time.
Yeah, it's going to be our first time because last year we were not here. We didn't pick the pumpkins, we just bought them and carved them. No, we were not here only, I guess, last time because we moved in November, so we were not here last time. And before that,
we just bought the pumpkin.
Yeah, we just bought the pumpkin. Ashley and Nitish bought it for us, and then we just carved with them, and then we went back to Florida because we still live in Florida then. So yeah, we are so excited. I'm trying to wear, I tried wearing a little fall color. So yeah, the weather has been pretty amazing. It's so beautiful outside. It's not sunny at all. The maximum is 70, so it's good. So yeah, let's go. We are almost here. This is the, basically, as you can see, the line to reach the destination, and look at how pretty all the sunflowers are over there. Better look. Wow, look at all the sun. I think they're all harvested because they are, I think, finished now. But yeah, that's the spot that you can see there. I think there is what we are going, and this is the line. Tish, Ashley, Mary, Tony, kids, everybody's meeting us here, so it's going to be a fun pumpkin patch. Alright guys, we are here, and Ashley and Tish are right there. It's beautiful, the weather is so pretty. They have wine bars, food trucks, and yeah, so many other, oh my god, it's so windy, my hair is out of control. How it looks, so very big. Hi, are you excited?
Yeah.
Yay, what are you gonna do here?
Slingshot apple.
Whoa.
Are you gonna land it in a boat? Alrighty.
Say hi. Can you show your band? Do you have one? Is that a baby? Wow, is that a baby?
You got it too. She has it too. Yay! Yeah, Baba.
Bottle? Oh, that's yours?
Yours? Wow. Bua. Everly.
That's Bua's.
This is Bua.
It's going now. Whoa, so close. There are so many games here. We took some fun pictures over there that I'll put in the clips here in the screen. And then there's slide here, and there's slingshot, cow ride, hayback ride, and so many stuff. We are here to hit the hammer real hard so we get a big bag of popcorn for free. Alright, Nitish is going now. Oh. Where do you need to reach to get something?
All the way to the top.
Yeah. Whoa! Not getting anything?
Huh?
Not getting anything there?
You gotta get all the way to the top.
You need a bigger this thing for that.
Come on, babe. At least one popcorn, please. Eh? Eh?
Oh shit. Somebody's gotta get
Oh! Tony, one popcorn bag, please.
Come on, give me a big old.
Whoa! One more, come on! Oh! Alright, Mayank is doing that over there. Oh my god, look at him. And Nitish and Elliot are over here.
Well, babe.
Oh my god. Mayank is over there. There you go. Our wagon is here and we're gonna be next to get in that. everybody else is here. We're all ready, and Ashley's right in the car. So yeah. Right, our ride has started. Let's go. So pretty. It's slow. It's nice. It's like a... I feel like we're back in Assam, you know, going to the tea gardens in the tractor.
I could count a million reasons why, a million reasons you should stay the night. So why you come here trying to pick a fight? I'm starting to see.
Alright, we're entering the corn maze. Ooh. Alright. Oh my god. And there are actually corn in those, in all of these plants. You can see so many corns. Done with the wagon. It was fun. We had some memories from Assam. But now we are gonna go and get something to eat because we all are so hungry. So we're going towards the phone. I have no idea what to say. Here we are ordering our food from. It's like a food truck. Hot chicken sandwich, mac and cheese, tater nuts, Sprite. Everybody's enjoying. Try the mac and cheese?
I hope the food is this good on NC Fair. That's the last time we go and go.
Different life. I'm working, giving everything to you. I'm bending backwards, breaking all.
Guys, we are back in our car. Let me show you real quick. So if you guys can see, we came all the way from there. All the way because our car was parked so far because it's all full. The food was delicious. So it was super fun. We did not get the pumpkin from here because it's so costly. So we're gonna get it for super cheap at Aldi. And big ones. And we got some corn, kettle corn. Going to Target now. But I'm gonna end this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Enjoyed the pumpkin patch. It was our first time, so we had so much fun. The rides were all cool. So we'll see you guys in our next vlog. And until then, bye bye.